This is wicked. Yeah, I don't know if this install's happening. Guess we'll be waiting. Look at that. With solder. Yeah, they might have used Stay Bright 8. I don't care. I'm not. This is how we're gonna start pulling up to the job site. Yeah. Oh, Shorty HVAC here, and Dylan Short is in the building. Mellow, come here. All right, what up, guys? We're going to do a condenser install and a coil in the rain. Absolutely pouring this morning. I'm talking thunderstorms where I'm sitting in the van contemplating, can we even do this job? Looking at the radar, looking at the forecast, all of that. Crazy. You have to say, you have to watch this. Watch this video. All right, the van is definitely a mess from yesterday. But honestly, we're gonna need 90% of all that stuff today, so I'm just gonna leave it out. Condenser and coil will fit here. We'll be good. This is wicked. I don't know if I want to do this condenser install today. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I don't know if this install's happening. We'll see. Okay, here's the indoor. I thought it was gonna be a downflow with the coil under it, uncased the coil, put it in, but it's actually upflow, so should just be able to cut all that out of the way and put it right in there. Okay, here's the outside. Look at this whip. It's completely flat, no charge, but I'm just gonna verify that. Beautiful day to do a condenser. I really shouldn't even be out here right now. You should hear the thunder. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Stop complaining. I don't know if you can see, it won't focus, but the compressor terminals blew off. All the refrigerant blew out. Okay, I got this cut. Gotta take the rubber coupling off. They glued this in, so I'll take these screws off, take this up out of the way. Cut the line set. And one screw there. I hope it's not another one back there. It might be. So this is what we're working with on the inside. Wow. I was wondering where all this water damage is coming from. And okay, I just proceed to keep doing the coil like I'm here to do. So I gotta take this off, take this exhaust tip out the way. Look what just came off. I didn't even loosen this. I didn't loosen this at all. I loosened this one. So that's been loose the entire time, exhausting into this home, dripping into the entire furnace. Wow. My left hand's about worthless. Of course, they have screws down the side and the back, so we're just gonna uncase it. It's the same exact coil. It'll be just fine. Put the new front plate on it so it looks good, and that'll be it. The rain's picking up again. Can't really see it, but believe it. Loading weather. Yeah, you do that. What in the hell? I guess we'll be waiting. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, we're flushing the line set. I already put the flush in there. Blow it out with some nitrogen. Oh my God, this thing is welded shut. Okay. That's what we got going on. This is really what we're doing on a Friday. Okay, about to braze it up. I'm skipping the GoPro deal. I'll do it inside. It's raining. Anyways, nitrogen, fucking everything. You see it. You see what we got. Brazed up. Gotta love it. Beautiful. I thought we left the nitrogen on and it was like, but we didn't.
When the door was there.
Dude, oh my God, I wish I didn't see this. I was gonna reuse this piece. I'll take the insulation off. I was just gonna re-insulate it. It's gonna go right in there from right there. But we got a coupling with solder in it. Yeah, they might have used Stay Bright 8. I don't care, I'm not using this. I'm gonna get a new piece of 7/8 and I guess rebend it. So. Okay, we got another gap in the rain. Got Drake over there finishing the wiring. Turning the nitrogen back on. Go braze up the inside. And I ran out of acetylene. Luckily though, we got the old extra. Out with the old, in with the beautiful. All right, we're filling it up now. Full disclosure, the first time I did this, I had a leak. 2 leaks actually, on the inside. Backside of the liquid line filter dryer, of course. But I think we got it now. Let's up the pressure a little bit here. My regulator leaks a little bit, and whatever. It is what it is. All right, we're gonna clean that up, obviously. I put around 300 PSI on it, but as you can see, it's still balancing out. So I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes, see where it's at, and then use that for my leak check. Because we do have freshly brazed pipes, some of them are hot, you know, pressure equals temperature, all that. We can put the nitrogen away, we got the pump cord, whip is in, 2 wires in. Put some new insulation on there, clean that off. It's about to start pouring in about an hour and a half. Okay, we got on the vacuum pump. It's coming down. Yeah, I need to get a bigger hose. Just using the 1/4" one right now, but it does the job. I do need to get the bigger hose with the adapter, the old True Blue kit maybe. But I got the micron gauge the furthest away from the pump. And yeah, it's a good vacuum setup. It'll do it. Let's start this thing up. I'm just still filming because I'm just showing you that it's staying right there. We're good. Got the ball valve shut, not losing any vacuum. I'm gonna release the charge so we break the vacuum with refrigerant. Bueno. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this on there, but if I do, we'll put some zip ties, whatever. So we could have turned it on, and it's a bad thermostat too. I know I showed, that's a big step by the way. I know I showed the compressor terminal blowing off earlier. So obviously that's the main issue, but we go to start it up, and after some troubleshooting, the thermostat's not making that connection between Y and R. Yeah, Y and R. Sorry, it's been a long day. I almost said comment, I don't know. Anyways, I'm grabbing a thermostat, and I know for sure it's a thermostat. Jumpered it out. Came on. Not a wiring issue. It's a thermostat issue. Here we go. So, doing what we have to do. Put the ladder away already. Didn't realize. Wait a minute. No, that's gonna fall. Okay, we got 55. and dropping, but I'm not gonna stand up here forever, so we'll get the old return temp. It's a little bit low, I'm gonna add some. Definitely a little bit low. Long line set, 7/8 line set. And we're back up here. Added charge. Around 53, that's what we had in our return. Good to go. Actually, we'll check the return again and show you. 72.6, right around there. That run is pretty far off the coil. So we're good. We know we're good. Pressures look good. Everything looks amazing. This thing's been annoying all day. It's 100 degrees in this mechanical room. We're gone. Yeah. Looks beautiful. Bam. Wham, bam, thank you, bam. And it's starting to rain right as we leave. Perfect timing. This is how we're gonna start pulling up to the job site. You know. Look how loaded down we are. We got everything all discombobulated is the word. Eat that motherfucker. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're headed home now. That is it for the day. I live about 30 minutes away from our shop, 25, 30 minutes. And it's just now getting pretty sunny. So maybe I'll be able to go on a walk with my dog when we get home. That's looking pretty promising. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, little condenser coil in the rain. Should we have been out there at the beginning of the day? Probably not, but these people need air conditioning and I felt safe enough. You know, I'm not standing out there on the roof with a metal rod. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you leave it a like. And if you're still watching, that means you're a real one and you're probably already subscribed. But if you aren't subscribed and you're still watching this, hit that button. All right, guys, peace. See you on the next one. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do some maintenance on my AC, which is just 1980s. It's old, real old. And then my dad's, who lives about a mile away from me, and my mom. So there should be a video this weekend too. A little rare Shorty HVAC weekend upload. Anyways, stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. Whatever. Peace.